Hey, what's up? It's great to see you guys again. Today in this video I'm going to show you what command you need to run before you are going to buy any laptop from any shop. Any laptop, I mean that for only Windows laptops. But if you're planning to buy any Mac, so this command is not going to work for you guys. So I'm going to run an old command that you can run with any kind of Windows operating system. So here I'm going to hold Windows key and or make sure when you are going to buy a laptop, make sure the Windows is already installed so you can run this command. If it's not installed, so how you're going to run this command in Windows PC? So we're going to use this dxdiag. This is an old command that is going to provide system information, display cards, and much more information. So here I'm going to hit enter. When you hit enter, so this is going to be a DirectX diagnostic tool. As you can see here, first tab is the system tab. So this tool reports details information about the DirectX components and drivers installed on your system. So it's here, as you can see, it's provide me all the system information. So I can see this current date time, I can see the computer name, I can see the operating system, I can see the language, and also here we have the system manufacturer and also the system model. We have the BIOS, so we have the processor, which is this Intel Core TM i3, and also we have this memory and page file, and also you can get this DirectX version. So you can save all this information just to click here, or you can just click next page. So on the next page you can find your display card. So here we have this HD graphic, which is the name of Intel or HD graphics 3000, and also manufacturers is this Intel Corporation, and also chip type is Intel or HD graphics family, and the device type is fully displayed device, and total memory is here, and also display memory, which is VRAM, is here, and also shared memory is going to show you. And also here I can see the DirectX features, which is already enabled. All this direct draw, acceleration enable, and all of these which is under this DirectX feature. So I can just click on the sound as well. So here I can get information about the sound. So this is going to be the name of my speaker, and also here is the hardware ID, and there is no manufacturer ID is available. So make sure if your sound card is not made by manufacturer of the same company, which is Dell, so definitely here you're not going to get any information. NA not available mean, and product ID is not available, type is not available, default devices yes. And also we have this drivers, as you can see, I have the name, version, date, and here if there is any note it's going to show you. And also if I click on the input, so it's going to show me all the input devices, which is mouses, this input device in my PC, and also the keyboard. And if I click here and put related devices, so I can see the standard PS/2 keyboard, and also here we have this Dell touchpad. So if I'm going to click at that, so I'm going to expand this matching device ID service, and also we have the drivers, which is going to list it here. If there is any drivers didn't install, so definitely it's not going to show up here, but this is going to be all the drivers that is for the Dell touchpad here. If I just click at this standard PS/2 keyboard, is going to expand and show me this matching device on the ID and service driver, and also there's second driver that's available with the date. This is how you're going to run this command. So if you want to get information about the PC that you're planning to buy that. But if you just one of your colleagues just going to a shop and want to buy, if any department that is responsible to buy laptops, maybe your IT department in your office is responsible to buy laptops for the office workers. So you can request that if the Windows is most of the Windows PC is installed comes with the Windows operating system, so you can just call your colleague and ask or request for this command, that please run this command and send me the screenshot through WhatsApp or through any other contacts that your department is going to able to send you that information. So they can take the screenshot and they can send this screenshot to your mobile. Then you can check all the information before you're going to buy this laptop. Or you can ask for one more thing, that here let me show you. I'm going to hold Windows key and R. So here I'm going to type this cmd. So you can ask your colleague or IT guy that you can run this command dxdiag / we have this T, and before we're going to type this command, let me change the directory. So I'm going to change the directory to desktop. So currently we are inside this Firdaus directory, so I'm going to change that, and we're going to type this dxdiag / T and output.txt and hit enter. So all the informations is going to be under dxdiag is going to save, or you can just click on save all information. So you can just click at that. So you can name it anything you want, like this one, or you can just run this command, which is this dxdig space / T space output.txt. So I'm going to open this so I can show you. Here, as you can see, it's going to show me all this information. I can just scroll down. I can see all the drivers. I can see the sounds device. So here it's going to show me all the data inside this DirectX diagnostics tool. So I can just scroll down. As you can see, it's going to show me this disk and DVD, CD-ROM, system device. So here it's going to create me a bunch of different information related to this PC. So I can just scroll down. I can see more information that is available inside this output.txt. So I can just scroll down, and as you can see here, we have disabled media foundation transform H key. As you can see, we have this, and if I scroll down, so I can see more information, EVR power information. I can see this diagnostic, Windows error reporting, and here we have more info or details related to this PC. And also let me show you one more command that you can run here. So I'm going to run this dx, we are going to use a rookies, and here I'm going to change that to the X. So when you type this command output.txt, so this you should give it something different. So now if I want to open this output again, so it should be in XML language. So now this information is in XML. If I just scroll down, as you can see, this information is going to be in XML. But here if I just go down, so you can see all the informations available, but in this XML. So with this command, if you just type this X, you should be careful, you should be give it a new name. So here I'm going to give it again this name, and for this X we're going to just go with this XML underscore output. So now I have two different I should have here, but it's going to take a while. So now I have this XML underscore output, and also I have this second one which is output. So here is all the information which I can get from this PC. So this is how you're going to use these two commands that you can run with dxdiag. So hope you guys enjoy this video and learn how to use this command before you are going to buy any Windows laptop from any shop. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay tuned about our future videos and uploads, hit the bell icon as well. So see you guys in the next video.